हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है प्रिवेंटिव कार्डियोलॉजी। तो आज हम प्रिवेंशन पढ़ेंगे कि हार्ट डिजीज से कैसे बचा जा सकता है। प्रिवेंटिव कार्डियोलॉजी is a subset especially focus on lowering patient risk for developing heart disease and having a first heart attack or stroke, while also preventing further issue in people who already have cardiovascular disease. Next, the preventing heart disease. Rule number 1. Look before you eat. Eat a variety of fruit and vegetable every day, like 5 serving. They are naturally low in fat and high in vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. Eat colored vegetable and fruits. Eat a variety of grain products. Choose non-fat or low-fat product. Use less fat meat, chicken, fish and lean cuts and switch off fat-free milk. Don't. Dietary guidelines. Limit your intake of foods high in calories and low in nutrition, including food like soft drink, candy, junk food. Limit foods high in saturated fat, trans fat and cholesterol. Eat less than 6 grams of salt a day. Have no more than 1 to 2 alcoholic drink a day if you are a regular drinker. Limit and avoid food rich in cholesterol and saturated fat, egg yolk, fatty meat or organ meat, butter chicken, butter fried fish, milk fat like desi ghee, butter, cheese, malai, rabri, khurchan, thoda, ice cream, full cream milk. Hidden fat like bakery biscuit, patties, cakes and pastry. Cooking oil, the mystery of Gufa Mufa. Saturated fat, increased cholesterol, avoided. Coconut oil, palm oil and ghee. Unsaturated fat, Mufa, heart healthy, like olive oil, groundnut, canola oil and mustard oil. Polyunsaturated fat, Kufa, like heart healthy, sunflower oil and soybean oil. Omega-3 fatty acid fish oil, heart health. Next is preventing heart disease. Rule number 2, exercise. Maintain a level of physical activity that keep you fit and matches the calories you eat. Serves several functions in preventing and treating those at high risk. Reduce incidence of obesity, increase DDL, HDL, lower LDL and total cholesterol, help control diabetes and hypertension. Exercise mortality is high in retired men who walk more than 2 minutes every day. Regular exercise can help the risk of heart disease, particularly in men who walk briskly. Someone who is inactive has a greater risk of having heart disease, as someone who smokes has high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Exercise significantly reduces the chances of diabetes and stroke. With regular exercise, blood pressure in those with hypertension is reduced by as much as 20 mmHg. Exercise in heart disease. Moderate to intense physical activity for 30 to 45 minutes on most days of the week is recommended. Walking for a healthy health. Complicate exercise machine or sweating it out in the gym not essential. Just walk. Rule number 3. Stop smoking now. The risk of heart attack starts decreasing within 24 hours of quitting smoking. Within 1 year of quitting, CSD risk decreases significantly. Within 2 years, it reaches the level of non-smoker. Smell and taste improve within days. Within 3 months of quitting, the smoker's cough disappear in most people. Benefit much beyond heart disease. Tobacco, cardiovascular disease, cancer, chronic respiratory disease, and oral health are occur. Diet, cardiovascular, cancer, diabetes, osteoporosis and oral health and physical activity, cardiovascular, cancer, diabetes, osteoporosis and mental health and alcohol, cardiovascular disease, cancer and mental health. Rule 4. Non your number. Desired number. Total cholesterol smaller than 200, LDL smaller than 100, HDL greater than 40, triglyceride is smaller than 20. Get the liver test routinely and keep them under control. The only thing worse than finding out that you have one of these conditions is not finding out that you have it. Benefit of reducing cholesterol: 10% reduction of blood cholesterol produced 20 to 30% decline in CSD death. All adults greater than 20 years must get test. If normal, test again after 5 years. If elevate, work toward normalize the level with lifestyle modification and drugs are needed. Controlling blood pressure. Adults should have their blood pressure checked at least once every 2 years, as there are no symptoms to tell if you have high blood pressure. Optimum level is 120 by 80 mmHg. If high, modify your lifestyle like diet, weight, exercise, and salt restriction. Next, adhere to the prescription medication without fail to decrease chances of getting heart disease. Don't stop your medicine without consulting your doctor, even if blood pressure becomes normal. Controlling blood sugar. All adults should have their blood sugar checked regularly, as there are no early symptom of diabetes. Normal blood sugar, fasting smaller than 100 and post meal smaller than 140. If high, modify your lifestyle, diet, weight and exercise. Adhere to the prescribed medication without fail to decrease chances of getting heart disease. Don't stop your medicine without consulting your doctor if blood sugar become normal. If you are someone in your family already diagnosed with heart disease, don't get disheartened. Science has made significant progress. Yes, just monitor risk factor much more aggressively, like eating healthy, walk regularly, watch your weight, quit smoking immediately, keep your weight under control. In addition to improving your heart health, these measures are sure to enhance your appearance. Adhere to your medicine and listen to your doctor. Don't wait for heart attack to take action. Don't wait for second life. We are not